Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about different type of cloud computing and how your company, or maybe perhaps as per your personal use, how you are just going to select the cloud service provider and a closer look over the cloud service. As we know, cloud computing is just growing with a very rapid pace, and multiple companies are adopting it and getting benefit out of. Well, as you can see here is a data for you from 2008 till 2020. Continuously, it's just growing from like this. Okay, and in the upcoming year, it will also grow with the rapid way because it's just giving us a lot of advantage as compared to when we are using the resources or using the resources for computing at our premises. Yeah. And when we say different type of cloud computing and how just your company can select about the cloud computing, it's depend upon the need because in market around the world there are different cloud service provider which are offering different kind of services uh, so that it's depend upon we need to understand the requirement of our company what type of services they are looking for. Okay, as if we'll say as the deployment model, okay, we can use the public cloud, private cloud, or the hybrid. What's the difference between them? When we are saying public cloud, the cloud service providers, or we can say CSP, cloud service provider, is just having a pool of the resources, whether that's the storage, memory, or the networking devices, or the computing power. They are just having the resources pool of one, and uh, that pool they can share with multiple clients or tenants and the user or the client who is accessing their services they just need to pay how much they are just going to use it. So it is a shared environment. Say for example, we have for our company we want to use the email services, so we need not to establish the server at our premises. We can use the services of the provider. So it is cost effective and from anywhere we can have access on it. For that we just need internet connection and the browser for access. There. Another is private cloud. It is moreover about like a company they don't want to uh, use the public cloud due to any security reason. They want to establish their own private cloud so that whatsoever the data, devices, softwares, applications they are just going to use, they want to have a 100% control it. They don't want to share those resources with any other client. So they just can go for the private. Okay, for the hybrid cloud, some of the services for example they want to establish at their premises and other of the services they are just going to use provided by the cloud. So it is just hybrid mix of uh, both of the model. It's depend upon the requirement of your company, what type of business you are in, and what are the compliance requirement, and how important is the security and the budget. Multiple factor you need to consider. And if we just talk about the as per the service model, there are three type of we can say generally divided, but there can be more under it. There mostly there are three. So when we are saying I need hardware, I need a complete infrastructure, my own. server, my storage, uh, my computing, then I'm just talking about infrastructure as a service. When we are saying for the development of the purpose, I need platform. So they will also provide me the uh, infrastructure as per the uh, particular we can say for the developing model what the OS I need. They will also establish or what are the other software I need. They will also get. And for example, being a user, I need to just have an application. I don't want to develop my own application, my own software. I just want to use it, whether that's a office, okay, or some HR related uh, some kind of software or CRM related to software or for the communication or for some other kind of purpose I have, then definitely I can go for software as a service. Clear? So it's depend upon requirement of your company. Okay, uh, what's the budget, what's the deployment model they want, or what kind of services they want. Now just have a close look on a little bit deeper into it. When we are saying infrastructure as a service, that means uh, we are owning the system, so it is just for the system admin. Clear? And when we are saying platform as a service, that means for the developer. There is a example the force.com, Apple Engine, or the Azure. There is the space uh, Rackspace.com or the GoGrid or AWS. There. And for being an end user, a lot of services are there. Okay. Softwares are there as a service. We need not to install all these things on our computer. Just we are using software as a clear. And if we have a close look on the cloud space, a UK based top 200 public cloud computing provider. Just let me just zoom it. The software as a service. You can see how many vendors are there maximum in this and you can see here online workspace. If you are looking for, you need not to establish workspace at your premises. You can use it. They're shared. And for the finance or the ERP kind of services, there are number of provider. And for the communication, lot many, not much. For the HRM, the CRM, for the other kind of services, and for the digital marketing as well, the collaboration. And if we are looking for the platform as a service, it depends upon on in your country what are the services offered by the cloud provider. And in the service infrastructure as a services, there are big market for the cloud, and maximum that's coming under the software as a services. Yeah. And it is the opportunity for you as well, where you can make a start in the security of the cloud. You can think uh, how big is this market, and definitely they also need professionals to secure the cloud, secure the data, secure that management, secure the encryption, lot many things they need to provide security in. Yeah. And in the you can follow me on the cybersecurity page and get the notification for the next interesting and also share that session with your friends and group members as well, that they would be able to understand about the different type of cloud. Okay. And in the next session I will discuss about different types of firewall. So see you in the next session. Namaste.